Okay, we are back with part 2 of lesson 1. As you may remember, last time we left off with deleting unneeded and spammy plugins. We are now going to be going back into our cPanel to make a few changes there as well. Let's get started. Good. Now I'm going to go back here to my cPanel. I'm going to go down here where the quick install is. There's also a little box here on the second row, at least on mine, that says multiple PHP manager. It might say something different on yours. I'm going to go in there and see what they have this set at. I'm going to click on here. I should go in and look at my files, but I'm just going to go in here and click on this and see if sometimes this breaks it used to, and sometimes it updates your PHP. Sometimes it doesn't do anything. You have to go in and do it differently. But let's see now. I'm going to go up here to where it says the website name, right click it, and click open in a new tab so I can see what I have going on here. Yeah, that's okay. And in some of my other videos, you've seen me do this. I'm going in here to settings, to general. I'm going to make sure that it says WP blogging. It looks like I mistyped that. And then we're going to come in here and do, I think we'll put blogging fun. And then it has some of these things. I usually have it set up to Los Angeles as the place we want to everybody to know we're located at, actually, for the time zone. And where are we? Kentucky, Los Angeles. There we go. Come down here, click save. Another very important thing you're going to want to do is come down here where it says permalinks. And generally we want post name for the permalink. I'm going to hit change. They're save changes. And then we're going to come back up here to plugins. And since this is HostGator, some of my friends call it HackGator, we want a security plugin on here. And I think we're going to use Wordfence. We'll also go over setting this up today. And again, I usually set it up a little differently because I'm using some settings and code that I have from another site. Doesn't want me. There it goes. A little slow. Okay. It will have a menu here on the left hand side. We want to go into, I think I'm going to go into all options. Oh, we need to actually set this up. So what we're going to need to do is give it a email address. I suggest that you subscribe to their newsletter. I already do, so I'm going to put no here. And then you have to agree to their terms. And it wants you to buy something too, so it has a premium number you can put in here, or the option to pay for it. Hit no thanks, and then you're going to go in here to this. This menu is a little different than I've seen before as well. You go to support forms or pay. I don't want to go to support forms. I don't want to pay. So I'm going to go back in here to tools. And hopefully they'll let me just click out of here. Oh no, not tools, but all options. I usually go into tools. And here we're going to go into customization, display all options, blocking menus, that's good. I usually click this, update Wordfence automatically. You can do it in the navigation, the control, your admin here in WordPress too, but I usually do it in Wordfence. You want to hide WordPress versions, and generally you want to disable code execution in your directories. All of these I usually leave pretty much standard. With some sites I'll change them, but generally. And then brute force. Usually I'll put this pretty low. I'd say my friend who's building a site, he shouldn't have it too low because I have a feeling he might lock himself out. So I'd say 6 should be fine. 6 tries. If you mess up on 6 tries, then you'll be locked out for 4 hours. I usually change that as well, but I think he should probably keep it at a lower number. He might not be able to get in for days. And then immediately lock out usernames. I always put admin in here anyway, unless you call yourself admin, which is a bad idea. But yes, that one. And then generally have some other ones that I add, but that's good for right now. And I think that is going to do it for the time being here. That's quite a bit that we've covered today. This is the very first part. If you've seen my other videos, you know I usually put a coming soon page on here as well. We'll be getting into some of the other plugins and some of the other techniques. I also want to do some graphics because my friend was having some issues with graphics. So we're going to basically build the whole website. Okay, have a great day. Wishing you the very best. Bye.